Next, we're actually going to install a new plugin called Starter Templates. And this plugin will give us access to hundreds of professionally designed website templates that will make building our website 100 times easier. So let's come over here and click on Add Plugin, then go to the search bar and type in Starter Templates. Then look for this one right here and click on Install Now and Activate. Once that plugin is activated, it might already take you into this onboarding sequence. But before we go through here, let's quickly exit back to the dashboard by clicking on Exit to Dashboard right here. Then let's go to Settings and then scroll all the way down to the bottom. And right here where it says Starter Templates, make sure this option here is unchecked, because if you have it checked, then you won't be able to select the right page builder that we want to use. So once you made sure this is unchecked, let's click on Save Changes and then go back to our plugins. And then here we can see that plugin we have just installed, Starter Templates. And to get back to that onboarding screen, let's just click on Get Started. And here, before we choose anything, we want to make sure to go up to the right and switch from the AI website builder to Elementor. Elementor is the most popular visual page builder for WordPress, and this is the one that we want to use to build our website with. So let's choose that here. And this takes us into a large library of website templates that we can start our website with. Now, I recommend to everyone to start your website with a pre-designed template, because especially if you're not a web designer, the end result will most likely look a lot better and a lot more professional compared to if you try to design everything yourself from scratch. Now, the easiest way to find the right template as a starting point for your website is to either just browse these categories right here and then just check them out based on what you're looking for. Or you can also type in the kind of website you want to build right here. So for example, if I want to build a restaurant website, I can just type that in here at the top, and then I get different types of templates I can start a restaurant website with. Now, some of these templates are marked as premium, which means they are not free, but you also get a lot of free options. For example, this one here, or this one right here. Now for this video, I'm going to build a portfolio website. So I'm going to just type in portfolio right here and see what kind of templates come up. So for my demo website, I'm just going to go ahead and use this template right here for a personal portfolio. And here we can already make some changes to our website, like we can upload a logo, we can try out different font styles, and we can play around with different color palettes for our website. So I'm going to choose this font style here and this color palette, and then click on Continue. Then here on this next step, we currently don't need any of these additional features. So let's just click on Skip this step here at the bottom. And finally, let's click on Skip and Start Building. And now our website is being built and all of the necessary plugins that we need for this website are being installed. Once that's done, let's click on View Your Website. And there we go. Now our website has been set up based on our template that we have chosen before. So this right here is our home page. We can also navigate to other pages by just using our navigation menu here at the top. And our website is also already connected to our domain. So when we go to a new tab and type in our domain at the top, hit enter, then we get to our website.